Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and thank you so much for your support so far. And today we have got you a video regarding how you can edit your Instagram reel. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like and subscribe our channel and do click that little bell button so you can get future updates of our future uploads. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go all the way to your Instagram and then you will click this little plus button all the way below of your profile. Click it. Then you will have various options. You will directly go to reel option. You can either film it on the spot or you can just go click this plus button at the corner of your profile. Click it and then you will have option you can choose from your galleries. You can choose either photos or videos at the same time. Click the next option. And these are song options. This will automatically be given by Instagram itself. So you can either choose or you can go to search bar. You can search whatever music you would like to put in your video. But if you would like to edit further, you have to click the next option below. Click it. Now you have an option edit clips. So just click the option and now you have various icons below like sticker. If you click there, you can choose whatever sticker you would like. You can search it according to your video's requirement. And if once you're done with it, just go back and then you will have an option called a text. You can write whatever you want. Once you're done with it, click the done and then you have another done button below to confirm your writing. Click it. Once you're done with your writing, you can choose to add. If you want to add or more clips, you can choose from your gallery. You can film it on the spot and once you're done, go back and then you have an option called recorder. And there you can remove your existing clips. If you are unhappy with any of it, you can just remove the clips. Easy. And then you can just click the done button and your edited file is complete. And you can just click this blue icon below. Once you click it, your video is ready to be shared. And you have another option called edit cover. Once you click that, you will get to edit your cover whatever you would like to. It's up to your decision. Once you're done with it, click the done button above. Yeah, now your video is done. You can just click the share button. I hope this video has helped you and please do leave comments below regarding the tutorial you would like seen in another video of ours. And thank you so much